video yan.
Go!
Moments will last forever. 1, 2, 3, go. You got my gold that only heaven can give. I pray to God every day that you give that gold. You give me gold. There's not a thing I won't do. I give my gold all for you, 'cause you give me gold. 'Cause baby, everything that I have is gold. You will never go poor and hungry. I'll be there when you lost your gold. Let you know that you always have my gold. Gold, you are the only thing that I have right now. One day when the gold is falling, I'll be standing right next to gold. Right next to gold. Moments will always last forever, 'cause I'll be standing right next to gold. Right next to gold. Okay, everyone. That was our single Moments Will Last Forever. It will be released August 30th at SM Mega Mall Astrobus Odyssey Astrovision yung 3 p.m. with special guests. BBS featuring Kian Cipriano and Someday Dream, Kyla, Karil, whatever. Hope to meet you there, and we will be releasing our album on September 1. This is called Gold. Ticket.
Excuse me, it's an album.
It's an album.
It's an album. Di ba syempre bago is
Selling price. Yeah, there is a contest. First one to get to that store is album. It's album. Get
So grab a coffee.
grab a copy now. At your now.
Quiapo, in Quiapo, Pirated City.
Get our albums only at 50 pesos at Quiapo and at Odyssey 1,500. Hope to see you there. Grab a copy now. Bye.